Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. July 12, 2025, Saturday Racing. Ang ating pong karera sa araw ng Sabado, merong 7 races. Lahat ng 7 races to be run in 1,400 meter distance. At patuloy, ito po ay batay sa Peracom rating-based handicap system race. Pasensya na po, medyo na-late tayo ngayon sa ating vlog. Medyo meron pong inasikasong mahalagang bagay. Races 1 to 7, yan po yung race 1, isang non-winner, 3-year-old maiden race, placers. Ang ating pong Cool First Choice number 7, ang kanyang unang regular run, Lance in Gray, isang Gray Galloper. Second choice, number 5, Easy Go Lucky. Race 2, pick 6 naman to, covers races 2 to 7. Ang ating pong Cool First Choice, number 8, Crown Prince. Humble observation, mukhang kontrolado niya ang aire dito. Walang ibang mabilis or noted na mabilis. Second choice, number 4, Meghan Maxine. Race 3, pick 5 naman to, covers races 3 to 7. Ang ating pong Cool First Choice, number 1, coupled entry, Madam Mayhem. Ang kanyang ka-coupled entry, 1A, Hans City. 6 po ang imported na horses sa race na ito. Ang Madam Mayhem, JB Hernandez riding. Second choice natin, number 4, Bride 3. Sa race 4, pick 6, covers races 4 to 7. Ang ating pong Cool First Choice, number 2, Justifiable. Sa akin po ay Solo Aire. Second choice, hahabol. Pwedeng lumampas, pwede ring hindi umabot. Number 3, ang ating second choice, Great Angie. Ng programa, race 5, ang ating pong Cool First Choice, number 1, Full Combat Order with Jackie Dan L. Camanero. Ang ating pong second choice, number 8, Big Battle, EA Abrea riding. Datako na tayo ngayon sa race 6, race na may pentapekta. Penultimate race. Ang ating pong napiling Cool First Choice dito, number 8, Heroes del 96. Ang aking pulang napansin dito, humble observation, hindi binibitiwan ni JB Bakaykay. Siya po ang Jackie. Ang ating pong second choice, number 3, 7 of Diamonds, will be skipper by GL Ciego Jr. Tayo last race 7, Paratingan, race na may Super 6, ang aking pong paboritong event. Ang ating pong Cool First Choice, number 5, Top Grosser. Second choice, number 2, Brown Missile. Third choice number 4, Flywheel. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!